Hello again and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to save WhatsApp status video. If you're new to the channel, please leave a like and consider subscribing. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, so I'm gonna show you two methods in order to save someone's story on WhatsApp. The first one is for image or photo story. So open your friend's story, but in my case, I'm just gonna use my own story, but it will work the same as well. And go to the photo of the story. And now finally, just screenshot this image, like this, and then go over to your gallery. Find the photo, it's this one, and then just edit it, and then crop the picture, like this. And then save. And as you can see, it's clean, it looks the same as the story. Now for the second method, it will only work if your phone has a screen recorder feature on it. If you have, you can turn that on, and then go over to your friend's story again. I'm gonna use my story again, and then just watch the story like this. Finish the whole video. Okay, after that, stop the video record, and go back to your gallery. And this time, we're going to edit the video. Reduce the length so that it will only cover the main video itself. After you've done that, finally, crop the video to its original size. And then just save. And as you can see, we finally get the WhatsApp story video. So there you have it. Those are the two methods that I know in order to save someone's story on your phone. Well, I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.